Thank you, Governor. Governor, can you talk about the lawsuit that you've joined with other states over the freezing of unemployment funds that was already appropriated by Congress? And why are you joining the suit as opposed to the Attorney General? And then also, how do you envision the future of EV stations in the state amid cuts? Thank you.
So I've joined, I, on behalf of the Commonwealth of Kentucky, have joined a number of lawsuits where the federal government has broken their word and is unlawfully withholding funds that we were awarded, that we're due, and in many cases that we have already paid out some of the money, and this is reimbursement. So the way all this works is Congress passes a law where they create a program like the NEVI program, which is helping to build charging stations throughout the Commonwealth, or education funding through the Department of Education. Congress then appropriates the money that goes through that program and says this state shall receive this or that, or creates a competitive grant program. We then sign a contract with the federal government that says what we'll do, and they agree to provide those dollars. And oftentimes we pay our own money up front and then get reimbursement. So what's happening when the federal government tries to freeze these funds, or they're ignoring the law that's been passed, the appropriation that's been passed, they're breaking a contract and their word, and we're hurt by our reliance that the federal government would do what they said and have already paid out dollars. I mean, these are, in the end, pretty simple lawsuits. The federal government shouldn't be doing it, but these are dollars that Kentucky is owed, and I want to make sure that we get each and every one of those dollars. I can file these lawsuits. The Attorney General can file them. You'd have to ask him on his end, but he hasn't pushed back very hard on us filing them. So I've got no criticism there, as long as Kentucky is represented and we can get our dollars. Now, with a recent Supreme Court case on nationwide injunctions, states, if they want to receive some of these dollars, have to get involved. If you sit on the sidelines, you don't get the $10 million or the $70 million or the $80 million that you've been expecting. So, to me, this isn't about politics. It's not my party versus the president's. It's that I have a contract, and I'm just asking the federal government to live up to the agreement that they made.